Deep Music.
Hi guys! So today, February 12, Sunday today, no? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga. And today, no, meron tayong i-opening na outlet po natin. Ayan, so ito yung kanilang loob, no, ng branch nila. So sa lahat po ng mga taga Florida Blanca po, no, pwede na kayong magbayad dito ng mga bills po ninyo, magpadala, mag-withdraw, or mag-exchange ng mga cryptocurrency po ninyo. So again, sa mga taga Florida Blanca po, no, you can visit our outlet here, Go Vegas Center, no, nandito na po kayo pumunta. God bless po.
Wave Deep Music.
Dito sa Florida Blanca, VIP na yan!
Ako, it's my first time na mag-venture sa business. Matagal na ako sa corporate world and matagal na rin akong nangangarap na makapag-establish ng business. Unang-una, hindi lang isa ang income stream mo aside from the salary, kailangan may extra pa. Recently, nakita ko nga itong si VIP. Ang ganda-ganda kasi ng mga advertisement sa sa Facebook. It's different, very talaga siya, very catchy. And ang napaka-effective ng kanilang marketing strategy. Until he referred to me yung kanyang entrusted na account manager, and the entrusted account manager is very accommodating. Akala ko kasi dati parang buy or payment center lang siya. Hindi pala, napakarami pa pala mga available na products and services na ino-offer. Kaya naging very interesting sa akin. I was surprised. Affordable naman pala yung franchise fee. Sabi ko, hindi siya mahirap, hindi siya mahirap i-invest. Kumbaga reliable yung mga pangusap. Mahirap or hindi ka basta-basta malulugi. Pinakagusto ko, napakaganda ng support system ng organization, the ACM Group. Nandiyan yung kanilang marketing, yung kanilang sales, yung kanilang operations team, the 24/7 na parang support system. Available sila anytime na magka-problem ang mga stores or mga branches. Hindi mahihirapan pumunta. And the organization itself has a very good vision, mission, and values. So, I am 100% confident na it is good to invest, it is wise to invest in VIP Center. Yun.
The color of your eyes and the Malibu skies paint the wall.
Siguro kailangan buo yung loob nila to take risk. Pero kailangan yung pag mag-take risk sila is yung papasukin nilang business is legit talaga.
Yes.
And which is yung VIP naman is really legit.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much po, ma'am. So yun lang po yung ating short question. Maraming salamat po and congratulations po ulit. God bless po sa inyong dalawa.
Okay.
All the colors bloom.